What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a rainy day here in SoCal and we're here at the junk. We're trying to get some parts to fix my parents' cars and maybe something for ourselves. So yeah, I'll let you know if we find anything good. Yo, what happened to you? Why'd you give your car up? LA Chargers. Donkey Denvers. This is LA Chargers. Someone got mad they didn't get the Super Bowl to rate their car. they said we keep it if we get to the Super Bowl. Look at this still. Straight up. Somebody took a lot of puffy paint. A lot of time in puffy paint. Yo. Alright guys, seeking refuge in a Honda Civic EJ, and look what I found. Little hub. And this mirror was right here. Just like that. Held on by some double-sided tape. That was funky. What you do? Recording. Pretty beat up. ECU's gone, which they always take this ECU because they can like ship it. They go for like 70 bucks online. Holy smokes, look at that, look at that. What came up? Am I gonna take those? Yes, I am. Ooh, oh, I found an umbrella. I'll try to make that work. Alright, rain's finally died down and I got this umbrella. I made it into a hoodie. But nothing really good. Nothing good so far. I mean, I'm glad I still came out. I'm still glad I came out, but somebody tell me what bumper that is. Whatever that is, let me know. I don't see a BMW. Well, it is BMW, but alright. Catch you later. Alright, I found something pretty damn cool. And if I had this car, I'd pick this up, and I encourage all you fools to come out here and grab it before they destroy it. Damn, I feel so bad for it. It is kind of beat up, but it's still better than nothing, because I don't know if you could find these kits readily available. And I'm not talking about that Honda. I'm talking about this Celica. Bam, look at that. It's like he's fucking flying on a rally track. Look at that. Thing is sick. This whole front lip. Man, I'm so tempted just to get it and fix it and sell it. Maybe I will get it. It's cracked here though. That's not a problem though. That's not a problem at all. Not a problem at all. This wing, I don't really like that wing. The other side, look at that. Sick. It's the coupe version, not the hatchback version. Look at that. Representing. If I knew how to throw gang signs, I'd throw some TRD signs. Nothing else in here worth taking. But that kit, oh my gosh, it's got me all crazy. I gotta look it up to see if it's even for sale. If it is, then I'm not even gonna bother with it, because I know you Celica guys like that. Okay, I said not that Honda, but you know, deep down inside we're all a little ricey, and I would sport this kit just to get people mad. Look at that. I think it's the Black Widow. Somebody tell me what kit this is. Black Widow 2, version 2. That, not sure. Not sure at all. We're back home and it's windy, super windy. It's raining, it's cold. But I'm gonna try to fix my mom's Camry, or replace a MAF sensor that we just got, and see if it helps with the throttle issue. So I'm gonna set you guys up, and we'll work on that. Well, I swapped it and it didn't do anything, so I swapped it back. I think it's some sort of idle controller or something. What's happening is that it idles really low and then it sputters when you're trying to gas it. All these plugs are broken. These Camrys are ridiculously dumb. So we're gonna replace all these plugs. I already went and got them, so hopefully we'll be able to get that done soon too. I can't stand this rain. Alright. Okay guys, so just spent 10 minutes trying to fix my dad's Tacoma seatbelt. This thing was twisted in a weird way where like this belt right here was this way inside this little bracket, and I had to bend it and squeeze it through. Now it's not stuck anymore, and it used to stick because it would be flipped like this, and it used to go into this little section here like that, but now it's straight. I don't know why or how it got twisted. It's good now. It's a lot of work. Let's put this back together. Right. There it goes. Fixed. Look at that. Damn. Perfection. Alright. Easier than I thought. A lot of times you just have to get into the issue and see, and then it'll show, the problem will show itself to you. Perfect. I'm trying to straighten it out. It's kind of wavy. Got him. I think that's it. Alright guys, I'm just gonna end the vlog right here. It's super wet outside, it's cold, it's super windy, and I just it's hard to work on cars when it's all wet and you really don't have a workspace. Hopefully soon we'll be working on that guy right here. We're gonna be stripping it all out, and you'll be able to see that process. Maybe that's gonna be in the next vlog, but I wanted to get something out because it's been a couple days, but nothing really to report, nothing at the junkyard. And I think that what we're gonna do next with this car, the Camry, is we're gonna do the air idle controller, which it's funny because if you buy it online it's only like 40 bucks, but if you actually buy it at the store it's like 180 bucks. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, and like, subscribe, hit that like button, and put something in the comments.